This is a boat that just came in. It's one of our customers. And if you notice, the gear shift lever is in forward. He said he was out the lake and it quit pulling. So we've got it in gear. And so the motor should be turning the prop, which means that if you turn the prop, it should turn the motor. Okay, there we go. I got an extra spare foot. So he's turning the prop, the whole drive is turning, the shaft that goes to his motor's turning, and his motor's not turning. So that means there's a problem between that gear right there and his motor, which is usually the drive coupler. So it wasn't a problem with the drive, the upper, the oil, the fluids are perfect, that's good. This could be inside the boat with the drive coupler.